The universe is vast. Billions of galaxies, trillions of stars, distances solars that light itself struggles to cross them. Yet, the greatest mystery in existence may not be found in the depths of space, but within us. What is consciousness? Why are we aware? Who is the I behind the eyes? Science studies it, religion explains it, spirituality experiences it, and still it remains unanswered. Consciousness is awareness. It is the simple fact that experience exists. It's not intelligence, not memory, not emotion. You can lose limbs, you can lose memories, you can even lose parts of your brains. And yet, awareness often remains. Science can map the brain in extraordinary detail. It can track neurons firing, it can predict behavior, but consciousness itself cannot be seen. It cannot be weighed. It cannot be isolated. It is known only by being experienced. Science approaches consciousness through biology. Neurons communicate through electrical and chemical signals. Pattern emerge, networks form. From this perspective, consciousness is said to be an emergent property. When the brain functions, experience arises. When the brain is damaged, experience changes. This explanation is powerful, but it leaves something untouched. No experiment has yet explained why experience exists at all, why matter should feel like anything. This gap has a name, the hard problem of consciousness. Why does electrical activity in the brain produce subjective experience? Why does red feels like red? Why does pain hurt? Why does love feel meaningful? Science can describe the mechanisms, but not the experience itself. No equation explains what it is like to be you. Religion offers a different answer. Across cultures and centuries, faith traditions have claimed that consciousness does not originate in the body. In Hinduism, it is Atma, that is inner self. In Christianity, the soul. In Buddhism, awareness without a permanent self. Though their language differs, their intuition is similar. The body owes consciousness, it does not create it. When the body ends, awareness may not. Mystics didn't theorize consciousness, they explored it directly. Through meditation, prayer, fasting, and silence, they turned attention inward. And across cultures that never met, they reported strikingly similar experiences. The sense of identity dissolves. The boundary between observer and observed disappears. Awareness remains, but without a name, without a story, just presence. At the age of life, another mystery appears, near death experience. Thousands of people report awareness. Even when the brain shows minimal activity, they describe clarity, perspective, a sense of detachment from the body. Science calls these experiences hallucination, faith calls them glimpse beyond. The evidence is debated. The conclusion remains uncertain. The mystery remains open. Even physics begins to ask strange questions. At the smallest scales, reality behaves in unexpected ways. Particles exist as probabilities. Outcomes change when observed. This raises a question once thought philosophical. Does consciousness merely witness reality, or does it play a role in shaping it? Physics does not yet know. Science and faith are often portrayed as enemies, but this may be a misunderstanding. They ask different questions. Science asks how things work, faith asks why they matter. One measures, the others gives meaning. Conflicts arises only when one tries to replace the other. Today, the question moves forward again. artificial intelligence advances rapidly. If consciousness is computation, then machines may one day awaken. But if consciousness is fundamental, not produced but expressed, then machines may only simulate awareness, never experience it. The answer will redefine what it means to be human. Science continues to map the brain, faith continues to honor the soul, spiritual continues to explore awareness, different paths toward the same mystery. And perhaps the most unsettling realization is this: consciousness may not be something we have, it may be something we are. If this idea lingers with you, it has done this job. Because the deepest mysteries are not meant to be solved quickly, they are meant to be lived.